Hello from the Chillicothe and Ross County Public Library here in Chillicothe, Ohio. My name is Courtney Lewis, and in 2021 we applied for and received the American Rescue Plan Act Outreach Grant totaling $69,119. This award helped change the trajectory of the outreach of our library system. Thanks to a grant funded by federal LSTA dollars through the Institute of Museum and Library Services and awarded by the State Library of Ohio, we were able to improve how we deliver materials and services to some of the most rural areas of our county. The awarded funds purchased 2 holdIT book locker systems from DTech, which we have branded bookhives. These allow residents without access to brick-and-mortar library spaces to request and return materials closer to home. The village of Clarksburg is one of our targeted communities. Located over 10 miles from the nearest library, it faces significant access challenges. With 20% of its population living below the poverty line, many residents encounter real barriers to using our services.
My name is Trey Hitchens, and I'm an outreach assistant at the Chillicothe and Ross County Public Library. I've had the privilege to see firsthand the impact our book lockers have had on our service communities. It's no secret that the patrons who struggle with access are likely the ones who need it the most. We have a particular patron who expresses appreciation to us constantly for the access the book lockers provide. They don't have transportation to make it to a physical branch, so being able to walk to the book locker is a game changer. 24/7 access to Wi-Fi is another valuable resource that gets a lot of usage in this area.
My name's Autumn Dunn. I'm the mayor of the village of Clarksburg. We have one of the book hives for the Chillicothe Library on the side of our village municipal building with Wi-Fi access. That helps a lot of people in this community. Some people doesn't have reach to like internet, if it be schoolwork or just looking at something. A lot of them don't have a car or driver's license to get to any of the libraries to get a book. We are very thankful for the Chillicothe Library and their grant money that gave us the option to have this for the children.
While some book locker locations are permanent, their mobility gives us valuable flexibility. We can move them throughout the county based on interest and need. For example, during the Northside branch renovation this winter, we used the book locker here to ensure patrons could still access their materials. Many enjoy the 24/7 access so much that they have continued using the book lockers as their primary pickup location. For those with non-traditional schedules, around-the-clock access is especially valuable. In a large county with 7 branches, book lockers, along with additional outreach efforts, allow us to continue meeting the unique needs of our patrons in the ways that serve them best. We are so thankful to the LSTA, IMLS, and the State Library of Ohio for empowering us to empower our patrons and our community.